Space is big, really big. It's hard to imagine just how vast the universe truly is. Think about the Earth. It seems enormous to us. Now imagine our sun, a giant ball of burning gas dwarfing our planet. Our sun is just one star among billions in the Milky Way galaxy. And guess what? There are billions of galaxies out there. The distances in space are mind-boggling. Light travels incredibly fast, but it still takes years for it to reach us from even the nearest stars. Some objects are so far away that their light has been traveling for billions of years to reach us. When we look at them, we are seeing them as they were billions of years in the past. The sheer scale of the universe can be intimidating. It's hard to wrap our minds around the idea of something so enormous and ancient. It makes us feel small and insignificant, like tiny ants crawling on a giant beach. And who knows what wonders and horrors lie hidden in those distant corners of the cosmos. Black holes are one of the most fascinating and terrifying objects in space. Imagine a place where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. That's a black hole. They are formed when massive stars collapse in on themselves, creating a point of infinite density called a singularity. Anything that crosses a black hole's event horizon, the point of no return, is doomed. It gets stretched and torn apart by the immense gravity, eventually becoming part of the singularity. We can't see black holes directly because they don't emit light, but we can detect them by observing their effects on nearby stars and gas. The idea of being sucked into a black hole is a terrifying thought. It would be a one-way trip to oblivion, a place where the laws of physics as we know them break down. The mystery of what lies beyond the event horizon continues to captivate and frighten us. When we think of space, we often picture a vast emptiness. And it's true, space is a vacuum, meaning it's mostly devoid of matter. But what does that really mean? It means there's no air to breathe, no sound to hear, and no air pressure. In space, you wouldn't explode or freeze instantly like in some movies, but you wouldn't last long either. Without a spacesuit, you'd suffocate within minutes. The lack of pressure would cause the fluids in your body to boil. And the extreme temperatures, ranging from scorching hot in sunlight to frigid cold in shadow, would make survival impossible. The emptiness of space is a stark reminder of how fragile life is. We are adapted to the conditions on Earth, and out there in the vastness of the cosmos we are completely at its mercy. Space is a place of both wonder and terror. Its vastness humbles us, its mysteries intrigue us, and its dangers remind us of our own mortality. We have learned so much about the universe, but there is still so much we don't know. What other secrets lie hidden in the distant corners of the cosmos? Are there other forms of life out there? What is the ultimate fate of the universe? These questions have haunted humanity for centuries, and as we continue to explore the final frontier, we are sure to encounter even more mysteries that will both amaze and terrify us. The universe is a vast and unforgiving place, but it is also a place of incredible beauty and wonder, and it is in our nature as human beings to explore the unknown, to push the boundaries of knowledge, and to seek answers to the biggest questions of all.